Alright guys, we got a Deshaun Watson Clemson Speed Rep helmet from Fanatics. I love these helmets. I haven't seen this one, but it looked pretty cool on the website. The Fanatics bag comes with a little drawstring, always cool. Oh wow, color on this is just, I'll try to get close and try to see. It's got like little specks in it, if you will. And the Clemson helmet is just a cool looking helmet anyways, but it's got the Riddell chin strap, face mask. This is a Speed Rep helmet, so it's got this in the top. Just the real little generic pads. But overall, man, this is a definite keeper. This is a very cool Deshaun Watson Rep helmet. Clemson. And like I said, I mean, it is like really sharp looking. Just the colors of this helmet. Like I said, you really got to like be here in person to really appreciate the it just sparkles. I don't know how to explain it, but it's got a really good color to it. And you can do so much with this helmet. You can take off this face mask, put a different face mask. You can add like Clemson little bolts here. You can put a new chin strap. You can put a visor on this thing. You can put stickers on the back, NCAA stickers, an American flag. You can put bumpers on this thing. You can put a lot to this thing to add a lot of value to it. But we purchased this off of Fanatics, and this is definitely one you want in your display room. It's just got a great color to it. Very happy with this helmet. Deshaun Watson's not my favorite player or anything like that, but the kid is awesome. So definitely one, like I think we're going to keep on to this one. This is a really cool helmet.